Noble and Reverend Guru Manjughosa, glorious Candrakirti, I bow before you. Of the various discerning explanations of your intent, offered by scholars here in Tibet, the direct elucidation of the vision of the introduction to the middle way, in the tradition of the victorious Lobzang, uses reasoning to determine how phenomena are beyond arising and devoid of true existence. In this, a key point is that the so-called self of the individual is merely a mental projection and apprehension of something autonomous upon the object is what is negated. It is very important to be certain about this and to determine the absence of self. Unless you realize the absence of phenomenal identity, in particular through this mode of apprehension, you will be unable to subdue the enemy afflictions